What's up, everybody? Aaron here at Wingman Garage. Welcome to the first event of the 2023 community car build, the Civic. Today's going to be a pretty fun day, but first I want to thank our sponsors, AutoZone. They provided everything that we're going to be doing today. Oil, filter, well, the filter is provided by the owner. So oil, transmission fluid, we're doing front brakes, we're doing rotors, we're doing pads. It's going to be awesome. This car's got a bit of a history, okay, especially here at Wingman. One of my customers, Dan, started bringing his car here when I first opened up, and he's brought it here ever since. And he took really good care of this car, actually. He's always done whatever it needed. Oil changes, he's done his own brakes here, wheel bearings. He did a valve lash adjustment on the engine, which was actually pretty cool. Most people don't do that. I was telling him, I was like, Dan, I really want to buy this car for the community car build. Whenever you want to get rid of it, please call me. So he called me a couple weeks back and said, Aaron, I'm looking to get rid of the Civic. Do you want it for the community car build? I was like, absolutely. It's a 1998 Civic. It's an EX. It's a two-door. It's coupe. It is 5-speed. So whoever wins or whoever gets the car, I will teach you how to drive it if you don't know how to drive 5-speed. That'll happen. Super high miles, 262,000 miles. But here's the thing. It's actually really, really good shape. There's not a lot of rust. Most of the Civics you see of this vintage are all rusted out. The wheel wells are gone, and the rockers are gone. This car originally is from Maryland. It's just in really good shape. If you watched the reveal video on the channel, you saw a walk around of it, and it's in great shape. So I'm real excited. I mean, it's a great platform. As you can see, it's bone stock. I mean, it's just ready for us to do whatever we want to it. So today is going to be all about maintenance, and yeah, we're going to get started. Mike, here, let me give you this. You want to pull these 10mm bolts off. It's this one, and I think that one way down there. Okay, so let's do this. Ready? All right, get this out of here. Oh yeah, it's down here. That bolt right there.
There it goes.
Away. Oh my gosh, that looks nice. Dan, I apologize for draining your brand new fluid to put in brand new fluid. Sorry, bud. I know exactly what Ray's gonna say. He's the man, he knows what he's doing.
There was one point I thought Ray was going to set up a cot in here. Stay over here.
Don't tempt me.
We got it all finished that day.
All right, oil, transmission fluid, new oil filter, under an hour. You guys are killing it. You're all hired. Well, we'll take a look at the brakes and we'll start the brakes. Probably divide you guys into 2 teams. First team, first side now. Ray, you're in. You're tagged in.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in with these guys.
Sounds good.
You two are a good team. So you'll be on passenger side. You guys are the driver's side. All right. New pads, nice and smooth here, ready to go on a fresh surface. These old pads actually have a lot of meat left, but the car sat a little bit before I picked it up, and it flash rusted on the rotors, and then the rotors kind of chewed into these pads here. So a lot of life left, but we're going to change them out anyway. Use the fresh stuff from AutoZone.
What
You'd
is
be the
this?
wingman today.
What is this about?
That's your squeaker.
And where is that going to
Yeah,
go?
so
What
that
side
goes-
is your
that goes
squeaker
in-
going?
This goes on the back. So that way when your pads get real low, that'll hit the rotor first, and then it squeaks and it makes all kinds of racket. And you're like, oh my gosh, the rotor's ending. And then you bring it to Wingman and you put new brakes on.
It's like a brake alarm.
Exactly. It's a brake alarm.
Brake alarm. That's what I'm calling it from now on. That's a brake alarm. All right, who wants this one? Straight to go on.
All right, so quick recap. They are doing really great. I told them it wasn't a competition left versus right, but I feel like it's turned into a bit of a competition left versus right. And right is winning, but no, there's no winners and losers. But right is winning. So yeah, they are. We put the rotors on right now. They're getting the brackets on, and then they'll put the calipers in. I'll grab the caliper tool, push the piston back in, and then we'll be bolting them on. We'll get the wheels on. We'll do a first start. You know the start pattern? This one, then this one, then you go there. Yeah. You got this. All the way, there you go. We'll put the intake back on. That should take 2 seconds. And then we'll fire it up. Stick that on there. There we go.
All right. First start. Sounds good. Event 1 was maintenance. We did oil, we did transmission fluid, and we put new brakes, pads, and rotors on it. We were going to do the valve cover gasket, but the previous owner did that recently along with plugs and wires, so that valve cover gasket kit will go with the car when we give it away. Yeah, you guys killed it today. I made this for Mike. He was at every single event except for one, which he had to work. It is the 2022 Community Car Build Ultimate Wingman Award. This is for you, buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Again, huge thank you to AutoZone for donating all of these maintenance items. Can't thank them enough. A lot of you guys, especially Ray, bringing you back into this. Know that if you ever need a part when you're here at Wingman, we can always call them and they bring it right down for us. They treat Wingman and our customers really well. Thank you all for coming. I'm really excited for this year's community car build. I think it's gonna be a blast with this car especially. I think we had some fun. Russell, fun? 1 to 10. 9 to 11. All right, there we go. All right, absolute pleasure meeting you, bud. Thanks for those ideas. I'm gonna mull those over. Mike, yeah. Thank you, Nick. Mike, see you later, buddy. Enjoy that. Good job today. Nick, pleasure meeting you, man, all right? Call me if you need anything. Ray, you taking off? Thanks for coming. It's good seeing you, man. You tell the kids I said hey.